Hey warriors, look around you. The modern world has created a new kind of slavery, mental slavery. People scroll endlessly, switching from one thought to another, unable to focus for even 5 minutes without their minds trembling for stimulation. Their attention is divided, their energy scattered, and their thoughts controlled by what everyone else is saying. You can see it in their eyes. A fog, a dullness, a quiet chaos. They don't think, they just react. And that, my friend, is how power is lost. Your mind isn't weak because you're lazy, it's weak because it's full of noise. Noise from opinions, noise from gossip, noise from endless notifications that demand your attention every 5 seconds. You are not tired, you are overloaded, you are not unmotivated, you are unfocused, and in that confusion your potential quietly bleeds away. Machiavelli understood this long before our time. He saw that the most dangerous man isn't the strongest or richest, but the one who thinks clearly. Clarity is power. It's the ability to cut through illusion and act with purpose. A dull blade bends under pressure. A sharp one slices through with ease. Your mind is that blade. Every distraction dulls it. Every act of focus sharpens it. Today you'll learn to think differently, to use silence, control, and dark psychology to forge a mind unshaken by noise. Once you master thought, no one can confuse or manipulate you again. You'll become calm, cold, deliberate. The strategist in a world full of chaos. Drop this in the comments. My mind is my weapon. The power of focus. Focus is not motivation, it's control. Ordinary minds react, disciplined minds command. Every second of focus is a declaration of dominance over confusion. Distraction doesn't destroy suddenly, it erodes, stealing depth until all that's left is noise. True strength comes from stillness, from knowing exactly where to place your attention. Focus isn't about doing more, it's about cutting everything that doesn't matter. Those who master it appear calm while others panic. Their silence feels like authority. Machiavelli said, "He who wishes to be obeyed must know how to command." The same law rules thought. A weak mind serves distraction. Subtractive thinking. Remove before you add. The world teaches accumulation, more knowledge, more goals, more noise. But clarity is born from subtraction. The wise don't collect, they cut. They remove false ideas, useless influences, and emotional clutter until only truth remains. Silence feels uncomfortable because it reveals what distraction hides, yet that discomfort is where power is born. Solitude isn't loneliness, it's purification. Control the mind, control the life. Power starts within. The one who cannot rule their own mind becomes a slave to emotion. Anger, fear, and anxiety pull the strings, but those who observe thought instead of obeying it become rulers of their inner kingdom. Habits form the architecture of control. Self-observation becomes strength. The mind that pauses before reacting transforms chaos into calculation. Machiavelli warned that chaos often disguises itself as opportunity. The calm mind sees through disguise and adapts without losing direction. Composure creates mystery, and mystery creates influence. People fear what they cannot predict. Precision thinking. Most people scatter energy everywhere. The sharp few focus it like a laser. Precision isn't speed, it's accuracy. It's the art of choosing one move that changes everything. Machiavelli said, "It is better to act and repent than not to act and regret." Precision is deliberate action, calculation over impulse. The precise mind doesn't rush. It studies, waits, and strikes once. Every word becomes heavy, every move final. Average minds chase opportunities. Sharp minds create them. Precision makes silence look powerful because behind it lies preparation. Emotional immunity. Emotionally reactive people are easy to manipulate. A calm person is not emotionless, they are immune. Anger, rejection, envy all become signals, not chains. Machiavelli advised rulers to appear compassionate but remain rational. Emotion is a tool, not a master. When provoked, the immune mind mirrors chaos back to its source. Manipulators lose control when you don't react. Every time you restrain emotion, you build inner armor. Sharpness commands respect. Sharpness is silent authority, respect without words. It's the quiet discomfort others feel in the presence of control. Machiavelli wrote, "Everyone sees what you appear to be, few know what you are." Sharpness is that mystery, the calm face hiding deep calculation, the measured silence that makes others lower their tone. Respect doesn't come from shouting, it flows from restraint. People trust what they can't easily read. True power doesn't seek attention, it demands it through excellence and composure. Learn from mistakes. Mistakes aren't punishment, they're instruction. Each one exposes a weakness and teaches what ego tried to ignore. The weak hide from failure, the strong dissect it. Machiavelli said, "A wise man does at once what a fool does at last." The strong analyze quickly, adjust, and move forward. Pain becomes education, failure becomes refinement. Every scar is a lesson written in discipline. Those who face their mistakes become untouchable, because nothing can be used against a person who's already turned pain into power. The world worships noise, but the wise worship silence. They don't seek validation, they build clarity. Every moment of focus becomes an act of rebellion against confusion. Machiavelli wrote, "Men rise from one ambition to another. The sharpened mind does the same, first mastering itself, then shaping the world." When emotion no longer rules behavior, when focus becomes instinct, you transcend the ordinary. That's when you stop reacting and start directing. When your calm becomes armor and your clarity becomes command, you become what Machiavelli envisioned, a mind that bends chaos toward purpose. So if this message awakens something in you, act like this video, share it, join those who sharpen their minds into weapons of purpose. Because every transformation begins with awareness, and you've just begun. A sharp mind cuts through everything. Drop it one last time. My mind is my greatest weapon.